Atmospheric contaminant sensors activated. Vital sign
Hey, Mr. Freeman,
monitoring
I had a bunch of
activated.
messages for you, but we had a system crash about 20 minutes ago, and I'm still trying to find my file. One of those days, I guess. They were having some problems down in...
Hello there. Greetings. Someone's hidden my glasses again. Why do we all have to wear these ridiculous ties? I wonder if I should run that test. Please, you'll excuse me, Gordon, but I'm rather busy now. Why do we all have to wear these ridiculous ties? This is all within theoretical limits.
Well, right on through, sir. Looks like you're in the barrel today.
Ah, it's good to see you. Sure that theory of yours is correct. Please, leave me alone until after you were supposed to be in the test chamber half an hour ago. Greetings! I can't be bothered right now.
As I expected.
Excuse me, Gordon, but I'm rather busy now.
You'll just have to wait until after the test.
That's odd. Please, leave me alone.
Sorry, sir.
Ammunition depleted.
Ah, Gordon, here you are. We just sent the sample down to the test chamber.
We boosted the anti-mass spectrometer to 105%. Bit of gamble, but we need the extra resolution.
The administrator is very concerned that we get a conclusive analysis of today's sample. I gather they went to some lengths to get it.
Hello.
They're waiting for you, Gordon, in the test chamber.
To get some pure readings for a change? Good to see you. I can't be bothered right now. I'm afraid we'll be deviating a bit from standard analysis procedures today, Gordon.
Yes, but with good reason. This is a rare opportunity for us. This is the purest sample we've seen yet.
And, potentially, the most unstable.
Everything will be fine.
I don't know how you can say that, although I will admit that the possibility of a resonance cascade is extremely unlikely.
Gordon doesn't need to hear all this. He's a highly trained professional. We've assured the administrator that nothing will go wrong.
Ah, yes, you're right. Gordon, we have complete confidence in you.
Well, go ahead. Let's let him in now.
Testing? Testing? Everything seems to be in order.
All right, Gordon. Your suit should keep you comfortable through all this. The specimen will be delivered to you in a few moments. If you would be so good as to climb up and start the rotors, we can bring the anti-mass spectrometer to 80% and hold it there until the carrier arrives. We'll take it from here.
Power to stage 1 emitters in 3, 2, 1. I'm seeing predictable phase arrays. Stage 2 emitters activating now.
Gordon, we cannot predict how long the system can operate at this level, nor how long the reading will take. Please, work as quickly as you can.
Overhead capacitors to 105%. It's probably not a problem. Probably, but I'm showing a small discrepancy. Well, no, it's well within acceptable bounds again. Sustaining sequence.
I've just been informed that the sample is ready, Gordon. It should be coming up to you any moment. Look to the delivery system for your specimen.
Oh dear!
Gordon, get away from the beat.
Shutting down. No. Attempting shutdown. It's not shutting down. It's not.